He used to think health was just about willpower: eat less, move more, repeat. But after years of trying endless diets, gym memberships, and the same frustrating cycle of losing a little and gaining it all back, James realized something wasn't working. He wasn't lazy. He wasn't weak. He was just stuck. Stuck in routines that drained him, foods that left him sluggish, and habits that numbed him instead of nourishing him. Then one day, while scrolling online, he found something different: the Smoothie Diet. It wasn't a miracle fix or a starvation plan. It was simple: 21 days of structured smoothie-based meals made from real fruits and vegetables designed to reboot the body. At first, he laughed. Smoothies? That's not going to change anything. But deep down, he was ready to try because nothing else had worked. So he downloaded the guide. Everything was there: shopping lists, step-by-step recipes, even a 3-day detox to start clean. It felt less like a diet and more like a reset button for his life. The first few days were rough. He craved old comfort foods. But by day 5, something shifted. His mornings felt lighter. His energy no longer dipped after lunch. The bloating, the brain fog, gone. By week 2, his coworkers noticed. "You look different," one of them said. And he did. His face was leaner, his posture straighter, his eyes clearer. But more than what changed on the outside, it was how he felt inside: calm, focused, and finally in control again. He didn't have to guess what to eat. The plan told him. He didn't have to starve. The smoothies filled him up. He didn't even have to buy fancy supplements, just fresh, clean food. By the end of 21 days, he had lost weight. But more importantly, he had found something he'd been missing for years: discipline that felt natural. And that's the truth about the smoothie diet. It's not a shortcut. It's a starting point. A gentle reset for people who are tired of the noise, the gimmicks, and the confusion around healthy eating. If James's story sounds like someone you know, or maybe a part of you, then maybe this is your sign to start. Check the link in the description to discover more about the smoothie diet. Because real transformation doesn't come from doing more, it comes from doing what works. Sometimes all it takes is a blender, a plan, and 21 days of showing up for yourself.